Hi everyone, I want to show you a little bit of information on how to sort and filter to make your auction experience a little bit easier. So I'm going to go down here to the current fine wine auction we're running to use it as an example. I've already registered. I pressed that register now button. I've registered for that particular auction, so I'm just going to go in here and say start bidding. Now, these auctions, everyone is a different size. This one in particular is 1,110 lots, so it's a pretty big auction, but I'm not interested in everything. So I'm going to use this little filter button on the top here that's going to break it down just to the things that I like. So I can look at format and see just some large formats. Maybe I'm looking for one of the larger ones. I can do a filter by country. I can also do a filter by region. So what I'm looking for, let's say for example, I'm looking for white Burgundy. So I'm going to click on Burgundy here, which has now paired the Burgundy selection of the auction down into a more manageable 327 results. So I'm getting somewhere, but I actually just want to see the white Burgundy as well. So here underneath type, I'm going to click on white, and you'll see that that should make it 93 lots of white Burgundy, which is quite a lot. Okay, now now all I'm looking at are white Burgundy. Now, here's the other thing that's particularly important for you to do to make it even more manageable. I'll say, okay, well, I'm only looking for maybe younger white Burgundy. These are all in order of vintage now that they're filtered. So I'm just going to look at, I like Ponceau. I'm going to click here. I like Leflaive here, Bonneau de Martray here. And these are the ones, let's just add a couple more. So D'Angeville, Boileau. These are the ones that I'm interested in. So I want to make those into kind of my own mini auction. So I favorited them by hitting that little heart button. And that has put it into what are called My Items. Now if I go here under My Account, I'm able to go in and click on My Items and see, there they all are. Ponceau, Leflaive, Bonneau de Martray. And so in this page now, I can place the bids that I'm looking for. I can see how many bids have been placed on these particular lots already. And I can do my bidding right from here. I can also do my follow-up right from here. So that's a very, very handy way to get through the auction quicker. Now, the other thing that I'm going to show you very briefly is maybe you're just looking for one particular wine. And so what we could do is let's get rid of this now. Let's get rid of the white. Let's get rid of Burgundy. So we're starting to look at everything. And we're going to go in here, and I am just interested, let's say, in Chateau Latour. So I'm going to type in Latour, and I'm going to do a search under there. Now what we're going to see is everything with the word Latour in the name. So we've got lots of Chateau Latour, of course. But then as you scroll even further down, you'll see here's a mixed lot of Latour and Lafite. And then, of course, here's a Louis Latour, Courtauld Charlemagne. And here's a Beaulieu Vineyard, Georges Latour Private Reserve. So anything with the word Latour in it. So that's basically how you filter, sort, and favorite to make your bidding experience easier to manage when we've got so many lots that are available for you. I hope that helps.